everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And for all my new subscribers out there, my name is Dolores and my channel is baking. I do all kinds of baking. I do sweet, I do savory, and I try to make things that are baker friendly, things that everybody could make. You don't have to go to a special school to learn how to make the things that I do. And I also throw in a little bit extra just for good measure, maybe a vacation or two, a holiday, or a product review. So I want to thank you all for coming on my little baking journey with me. Now this is going to be a short video today. I know you're saying, sure Diva, do you know how to do short videos? Yes, I do. I always like to talk to all of you, but this is going to be a fairly short one. Today, I'm going to make for you a dip. And I know this as the ugly dip. That's right, the ugly dip. And there's a story behind this dip, and it's like a folklore kind of thing that I think in someone's family, this dip was made a lot. And I think the mom refused to eat the dip. She said it looked ugly, and it looked disgusting, and she never would eat it. And as the story goes, one day she was persuaded to try it, and guess what? Well, you know what's coming after that. She loved it. So I know it goes by other names, but for us today, we're calling it the ugly dip. And it's so easy to make. 3 ingredients. And you serve it with some chips, some tortilla chips, and have it when you have a party or a group of friends over, and I think they're going to love it. So let's get started right now. Follow me over to the stove, and we're going to brown up about 1 pound of sweet sausage. Okay, so I'm over at the stove and I'm frying up my pork sausage. And as you see my little instrument here, I love this thing. It's called a potato/meat masher. And when you have a whole frying pan full of ground beef, maybe you're making tacos or whatever. I mean, I don't have much in here. I just have like a small, 1 pound of sausage. This thing is great. It's one of my favorite little gadgets. I'll put it down below with the link in my description box. I got it from Amazon if anybody's interested. So we're just gonna chop this up a little bit. There we go. And I'm gonna let this fry until it's nice and brown. All right, you can hear that sausage sizzling in there, and it's getting nice and brown, and that's just the way I like it. So I'm going to turn off the heat and bring this over to the island. So follow me over there now, and I'll show you what we do next. Alrighty, so I browned my meat, and I like it nice and brown, and I have it over here in the bowl. Now I used a pound of fresh ground sweet sausage. I've seen this made with, that Jimmy Dean sausage that comes in like the little tube. So I'll leave that up to you, but I'm making it this way. So what you're gonna need in addition to the sausage is you're gonna need 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, and you're gonna need 1 cup of salsa. And those are your 3 ingredients. So what I wanna do now is, you don't need a Ninja. I'm just going to use it because I have it. You can use a blender. And we're going to put our cream cheese and our salsa into the blender because we just want to mix it until it's smooth. Okay. We don't need to pulverize it, but just mix it until it's smooth. Alrighty. Let me move this over here. And 1 cup of salsa is going in here. Okay. All right. I'm going to put the top on my Ninja. Ready? Let's get this on. Let's see if I can do this right. I never can get it on right. Oh, I did it. Plugged in. I'm gonna pulse this a few times because I just want to get that cream cheese and that salsa combined. These ninjas are pretty powerful. There we go. That's why they call it the ugly dip, because what's in this ninja looks pretty ugly.
I surely am.
You take a peek in there and see what this ugly mess looks like. Looks pretty ugly, but I think it's done. All right, so I'm going to take this out of here. It's like a, I don't know, like a light orange color. All right, so now I'm going to bring my pork sausage over here. And I'm gonna pour this ugly mess right into there. Whoa, look at that. Is that ugly or what? Let's get it all in. We don't want to waste anything. No, no. Now I will tell you, this dip is best eaten warm. And I like to eat it with tortilla chips. So let me get this in here. Woo. Okay. Don't want to waste anything. Here we go. All right. Now I'm going to mix it all together with the sausage. Yeah, it's pretty ugly, but yeah, if it tastes good, right? That's all that matters. It should be nice and warm because I just cooked the sausage. And then I'm going to put it in a serving dish. I think I'll use this little one I have here. That's a good size. Get it all mixed thoroughly. Okay. Now I'm going to spoon it into here. And if you have any left over and you don't eat all the dip, which I don't think you will, you want to serve some leftovers, just heat it up again in the microwave. So let me put this ugly mess in the bowl. In the serving dish. I tilt it up. It's not exactly ugly, but it's not, well, what's the word, cameraman, I'm thinking of? It's
despicably ugly.
No, I mean, it's not exactly ugly. It's just not.
It's just not me.
Whatever. All right. And I'm going to get the opinion of the cameraman, see what he thinks. Because he's always up to tasting something I made. All right, so let me move this over to the side. And then what I have here is a nice big bag of Tostitos. These are Tostitos. Let me open the bag up. Right now I'm going to do a taste testing, but I'll put a still in there to show you how nice it looks when you serve it. So let me take one of these chips out and dip it into this ugly dip, and I'll let you know if it's really ugly or not. So let me see. No double dipping. Here we go. I think it's good. It isn't ugly at all. I give this 2 thumbs up. It's very good. Cameraman, come over here. Come over here. Have a chip. Let me know what you think. Are you gonna dip it in? Or you want me to dip it in for you? He doesn't like to be on camera. Oh. So if you'd like to see me make more recipes like this ugly dip, don't forget to go down below and hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it. You can hit that little bell twice. And that's all there is to it. When I put up a new video, you'll get a notification and you won't miss any. Now I think, let me see. It's very good. My bet is, because I used fresh brown pork sausage from the butcher. My bet is if you buy the tubes of the Jimmy Dean sausage and you make the dip with that, I think it might be a little spicier. What do you think, cameraman?
Truly.
Yeah, but it's very, very good. So I say for 3 ingredients, and you're looking for a party dip, give this baby a try. I think you're gonna like it. So, from moi and the cameraman, we wish you a wonderful week. Make the dip, and I will see you very soon. Toodles!